Are you really that fat that you need weight loss drugs? India has now entered the big league weight loss drugs market. Mounjaro, Wegovy are out. The demand is real. The drug sales are surging. Where all the debate lies is who is it for? Can it work for you? After speaking with some of India's finest doctors, this is what we found. Do not jump in to calculate your body mass index or BMI. Its definition is being challenged and questioned as a sole parameter of obesity. Someone with high BMI may have a lot of bone and muscle mass. Someone with moderately high BMI may have body fat percentage, meaning BMI does not conclusively define a fatty body. A good way to determine fatness: calculate the waist to hip ratio. Measure the waist circumference and position it right above your belly button. Then measure the hip circumference done at the widest part around your hip. Divide the waist with the hip to get what will be your waist to hip ratio. For South Asian men, it should be under 0.9, and for South Asian women, it should be under 0.8. Point number 3, body fat percentage. The most clinical way to determine fatness. The Endocrine Society of India has suggested that it should be 25% for men and 30% for women. There are several methods to calculate that. For example, there is a DEXA scan. Ask your doctors about it. It's the most accurate clinical method. There is also the skin fold test. Now, this involves pinching the skin at various locations to measure fat thickness using clappers, again to be done under supervision. Point number 4. The skinny fat phenomena. Now, the person with BMI 26 may not appear overweight, but could have body fat as high as 38% concentrated around their belly. BMI works on the assumption that all fat is the same. Many Indians tend to have thin arms and legs, but a big belly, and that is dangerous. Let's move on to the visceral fat. 90% of the fat in a person is what can be seen on the outside. The remaining 10% is inside the abdomen. It surrounds the internal or the visceral organs such as liver, kidney. It's the fat you cannot pinch. Visceral or central fat produces toxins, the bad hormones that increase insulin resistance. You may not have high BMI. You may not even look overweight, but you might still have high levels of fat. And if such a person gets diabetes, you could benefit greatly from GLP-1 drugs. You must consult an endocrinologist for obesity specialty. Discuss your lifestyle, your dietary habits, take informed decision and make it the right choice.